Today I wanted to go over the best forecasting apps. So, if you're looking to get the weather straight from the source, I strongly suggest looking at the National Weather Service, or NWS. It's where all the other weather apps get their information from. Their website is a little tricky to figure out, so it definitely will take a little bit to look for. If you're looking for a quick forecast, you can go into their search bar and type your zip code or the city you're near, and they'll give you a forecast for that. If you're looking for a more computer-based forecast, Weather Underground is fantastic. They're really good at giving you a forecast created by modeling software and a computer, and it takes a lot of the human error out of it. I would definitely take some time and figure out if their forecast is correct for your area. For Northern Virginia, they seem to be very good, I've noticed. So yeah, best forecasting apps. Thank you. Not gonna lie, sometimes meteorology do be that easy. That's a rain. That's some wind. It's gonna rain. And there you go. A couple minutes after, whole lot of rain. I go to college for this. It's my it's my career choice. Hello, this is a video going over a question I was asked about why millimeters of mercury is used to figure out pressure. So, pressure is figured out by what's called a barometer. I'll have a picture above me. And originally, these barometers were used out of water in the early days, and they figured out that a vacuum occurred due to the air pressure. They were later turned into mercury, which is a more denser material than water and easier to carry around. Mercury, we now know, is a poisonous element, so it's not used a whole lot, and it has been decommissioned in a lot of places. You can still find original mercury barometers, but they're a little hard to find. So yeah, I'm going to do a second video going over some other stuff on pressure. Hello, so this is my part 2 going over pressure in the atmosphere and how it's measured. So we went over millimeters of mercury, which is hard to do now that we know mercury is a poisonous element. Also, it's not very good for figuring out pressure in the atmosphere as opposed to pressure in blood, because there's a lot more pressure in the atmosphere. So we use a unit called millibars or pascals, which are used to determine weather. And meteorologists also use pressure as a gauge for height, because certain pressure levels will occur, and these are important for figuring out certain weather phenomena. So you might hear 500 millibar pressure, which is a level in the atmosphere. So yeah, I hope that answers your question. If you have any other questions, feel free to throw them in the comments, and I'll answer them. Thank you. Hello, this is a video on sea breezes. I was asked this question a while ago, so I'm going to answer it now. So sea breezes are caused when the land next to an ocean is warm and causes warm air to form. I'll have a picture above me. Warm air to form. This warm air becomes less dense and moves up, and the colder ocean has cold air, which is more dense and goes down. And this causes a convection current, where there is breeze caused by this unequal heating. Most wind is caused by unequal heating. So with this, we have breeze coming in from the sea, and it's called sea breeze. At nighttime, this is reversed, because the ocean takes longer to cool down than the land. So we have cool air on the land now, and warm air in the ocean. And this causes land breeze, as the breeze goes towards the ocean. So yeah, hope that answers your question.